Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So, here's my new car. I'm just kidding, but I'm gonna be on my way in this rental up to Lakeland, Florida, which is about 3.5 hours away from where I'm at, and we're gonna pick something up. And it's a new pair of shoes. So, kind of, but when we get there, you'll check it out. And on the road trip up there, I'll explain a little more. And we're also gonna be meeting up some of my friends up in Orlando, the Orlando guys. It's early in the morning. I got my Celsius in the car, got my camera gear because I'll be recording some things here and there. But I'll see you guys on the road. Enjoy, I guess, the time lapse because you can't really see much. It's too dark. I still have my F80 right here, but let's jump in this Alfa Romeo Giulia. Is that a bad color? I don't like the wheels though, but I drove this yesterday. Actually, it feels pretty good. It's really good on gas, surprisingly. A lot better than the F80. But let's jump inside. So I don't mind the way this thing drives. Obviously, it's one of those cars. It's not the F80. I could just park anywhere I want. You know, if the door dings, it's not my issue because it is a rental. But it's very comfortable. And I think this is like fake leather. But it's, like I said, I drove this yesterday. We actually drove up to Wellington area in Florida just to drive around, my fiance and I. And it was pretty comfortable. Like I said, the gas prices are insane now. So being able to use this, I think I put regular in it. It is what it is. But you can see the sun's peeking out. When we get a little bit more sunlight, I'll check in with you guys. And I'll explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing today and why I'm leaving at like, essentially like 6:45 in the morning to go up to Lakeland, Florida. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. All right, so I've been driving for about maybe an hour. I got another 2 hours to go, but I'm gonna check in with you guys of exactly why I'm driving up to Lakeland to pick up some wheels. So I'm going up to Lakeland, Florida, which is about, like I said, 3.5 hours away from where I'm at, and I'm picking up some stock 437 M wheels. And I've been looking for 437 M wheels for about a few weeks. And anything I saw in South Florida were too high of a price, or it was all curved up, it was repainted again. So when we get up there, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm going to be getting. I think it looks pretty mint from the photos, and the guy looks pretty legitimate on F80 post. But I'm picking these up for 1,200 bucks. You can't really beat that, and that's including with tires. That's including with Continental tires. I know. It's not like the Michelin PS4s, but then again, these are stock wheels. And you're probably wondering, why am I getting stock wheels? So I'm not sure if this video is gonna come out, excuse me for all the bumps, I'm not sure if this video is gonna be coming out before my announcement. So if it is, hey look, I'm getting rid of the F80 M3. Unfortunately, I'm selling it. And I explained in that video that will be coming out before this or after this exactly why I'm selling the F80 M3. And hopefully you guys respect my decision and you guys follow along the journey of what's to come, you know. So I ended up selling my 437 M wheels about 2 years ago, and I sold it for 1,500 bucks. Nowadays, the market right now, 437 M wheels are going for about $1,500 to about $2,200, which I seen online. Me personally, I don't want to pay $2,200 for a used set of OEM wheels. Obviously, the market has appreciated a lot with a lot of different things. But again, I found this for a good deal. And when we get there, hopefully it looks like the pictures I saw. And I'll let you guys see that for yourself. But we have a busy day today. We're also going to be heading up to Orlando, which is about maybe 45 minutes, 50 minutes away from where this guy lives. And what we're doing there is actually we're meeting up with some of the Orlando guys. Viet, F80 Ho, F80 Danny, Ben, Towson, Kyler. I think that's it. Maybe Paulie might be there. And then we're gonna be hanging out with them, getting some food. It doesn't matter where we get food. I know last time we went to Korea House, that was pretty good. But I don't care. We could go anywhere as long as it has good food. So other than that, I'm gonna continue driving and I'll check in with you guys when I get there. So. All right, so as you can see, I got 437 M wheels and they are mint. So the guy wasn't lying. The wheels actually are mint. I ended up paying him a $100 deposit from PayPal. Ended up paying him $1,100 in cash. The tires are pretty much brand new, like he said. So let me guys show you. Let me show you real quick. Because we're gonna head to Orlando. Looks like there's a little traffic. And then obviously the fourth wheel is gonna be in the trunk. But real cool guy. Met up at his beautiful neighborhood. Transaction was smooth, was in and out. Now we got these wheels in the back. I'm gonna be heading to Orlando now. It's about an hour and 15 and I'll be going there. So we'll continue the vlog there. I'm not sure what else I have planned, but I'm happy I got these wheels. Really good condition. They're a lot better condition than my previous 437M wheels. So I'll see you guys there. So I just pulled up to, I think this is Ben's location, so we'll check with him in a little bit. He's coming downstairs right now to let me inside the parking garage. I got like only one seat here though. You guys can sit on each other's.
That's fine. I can turn the elevator back up. Go back up.
But
you just let me up with the pass and I'll take the elevator back up.
Is there parking out there or no?
Yeah, you can park alongside the street, but me and Wayne, we're just up on the 6th floor.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, you guys want to hop in?
No, I'll take the elevator up since you only got one seat. I'll just meet you up there.
Cool.
Because I got my pass.
Gotcha. So I have a discount code where I use, and I was able to get this discount code here, and it gave me a regular. This is a full-size car.
Oh, wow.
For a rental, wasn't bad. All right, guys. So you got Kyler here with his gorgeous F80. Yeah, man. I'm gonna be Team Alfa Romeo now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Selling F80?
Yeah, selling F80, man. Alfa Romeo Invasion, bro.
Yeah.
It's all-wheel drive, almost 300 horsepower. Dang. But we have Ben.
Sheesh.
What's your Instagram name again? Ben what? Ben?
Shame.
Shame.
Shame S55.
And you got Towson.
Yeah, Tauzins. T-A-U-Z-I-N-S.
What's that mean anyway?
Dude, it's just a made-up username, man.
Okay.
It's stuck.
Okay.
It just stuck.
And then Kyler has a fresh haircut. You get the fresh haircut?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. Yes, sir.
Hit him with the...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look, I'm joining the red gang, man. What do you think?
That was good.
Good, right? I'm gonna throw the 437Ms on there.
Yeah. Poser.
But again, we're gonna be meeting up with some of the guys here. They're at the parking garage, and they were talking about how this is like a new parking garage and a new building, so there's not really people living here. But you have Towson's F82 M4, carbon ceramics, and you have Ben's gorgeous F80 M3, and it has actually the legitimate CS hood, so it's absolutely OEM plus, and it's really expensive, not cheap. So we'll check in with the guys a little bit later. We'll look at the cars, have some food, have fun. All right, so let's check out some of the cars. You definitely seen Townsend before. You've seen his channel. His channel is right over here.
Right with the M.
Right. 6 speed, so you know, save the manuals. Carbon ceramics, expensive ass brakes.
Well, not anymore. No, the carbon ceramics are gone. I went to Steely's.
So why'd you do that? Were you already low on the calibers?
My indicators were wearing out, and then I pulled them off so I could actually weigh them. I haven't weighed them yet, but I'm gonna get my buddy that works at Porsche. He's gonna weigh them for me, or use their sensor to sort of check how much it's supposed to weigh. It's like some weird sensor. I never touched it, so I don't know. But when he looked at my rotors, he was like, you probably want to weigh these soon. So I just went ahead and swapped them. They were making a ton of noise anyway, so that's what I'm on. I don't like them as much.
But you could still use, so did you change the pads too?
Yeah, I had to change the pads, and then so the rotors are actually M2 comp rotors, because these were not spec for the F80 or F82
caliper.
Yeah, so the calipers are the same as the M2 comp calipers.
So you got carbon ceramics, but the fake ones though.
Now
you got the
yep,
fake ones.
the fake ones. They're the fake ones now. Yikes. Dirty.
They're so expensive to replace.
Yeah, it's
Like
not worth it.
15 grand.
Yeah, it's like 15 grand just to replace rotors.
And how many miles did that last you?
I'm at like 72,000.
Oh, so you got a little,
yeah,
you got some miles
I
there.
had life out of them.
He drives his car, not like me or you, right?
I mean, I drive every now and then, right?
I put like at least 200 to 300 miles a week on my car at the minimum.
Don't you work from home?
Huh?
Don't you work from home?
Yeah, yeah.
We going on those Chick-fil-A trips.
Yeah, I'll
Those
be like,
Chick-fil-A
I'm
trips.
bored.
I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A like maybe like 3 hours north just to go there, just to drive.
Exactly, just to drive.
The 417.
He loves driving then.
I love
so.
driving.
And then Kyler with the new hood.
Yeah.
I know I've seen this at the show, but I didn't have time to look at it at the show because I was so busy.
I know.
But yeah, the paint
bad.
match is pretty good, man.
Dude, for 800 bucks.
800 bucks, so that's the
hood.
cost of it to repaint it.
No, to paint it, it was like 1,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just the hood.
Yeah, just the hood. I didn't have them blend the fenders or bumper or anything.
No, but it looks good, man.
Yeah, they did
like
a
how
pretty
it
good job.
flows well, because I am very particular about repainting a car, because if you don't have it match, it's gonna bother the hell out of me.
Oh yeah.
And it's gonna bother the hell out of you too.
Same.
So Kyler with the nice sunset orange, right?
Oh yeah. Always shows nice in the sun.
Vision Forge wheels. I know you're gonna be paint matching your caliber soon.
Yeah, I just gotta find the time and the person to do that, so.
And then obviously his interior is always clean.
Yes sir, at performance.
Oh, it's dirty. It's dirty. It's dirty.
Definitely.
I'll put it on camera. It's dirty. But that's F30 skirt.
Just tuned it.
Just tuned to stage 2, right?
Stage 2, she's pulling.
So he's being a rude boy on the streets now.
Yeah, a little bit. But
So-
I turned down the burbles, had to do it.
Yeah.
It was a little too much.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
28. So
Yeah.
you're getting older. I'm not a big fan of burbles either.
Yeah, I like a little bit, you know, a little rumble here and there.
Yeah, like one or two couple, you know, here and there, but nothing like the gunshot tune.
Right, yeah, that's just obnoxious.
Yeah.
To me
So,
anyways.
and then we're gonna talk to Ben. Ben,
Jeez.
I know you love the camera, man. So let's talk about your car. You weren't in the rally. Did you get a PPF yet?
No, I have not. So,
Okay.
as you know, I've been moving and things like that. So it's kind of been a little hectic, but it's not PPF yet. But you know, for all of your followers, for all your subscribers, this is my F80 M3. The reason why I wasn't in that rally is because, you know, I just got the new OEM BMW CS/GTS hood painted by Samuel's Auto Body. So I didn't want to risk, you know, like I already said, getting any rock chips or anything like that on fresh paint, because I would have spent all that money, you know, for essentially nothing. But yeah, I mean, this is my car. I mean, it's just really OEM plus. You know, I pretty much have done all the mods that everybody essentially does when they first get an F80. You know, I've lowered it. I've done some in-performance goodies on the interior, some decals, some things like that, some, you know, taillight mods, but nothing really too crazy. You know, this is just your
OEM
normal
plus.
OEM plus. OEM plus. That's all she is. But I love her. I drive her as
Well, I can tell you
she'll let
this.
me.
This guy's so baller, right? So baller that he buys a real CS hood. He buys a real CS hood. What's the retail of that? You don't tell him how much you paid. What is the retail of that hood alone?
So the retail of the OEM CS/GTS hood is about $7,000.
7 bands, $7,000. And I know you definitely paid a decent amount of that.
I did. You know, thankfully I did get a discount, so it wasn't as bad.
Does your girl know? Because I can bleep this all out.
Yeah, bleep this all out, please, because if she sees the video, you won't see me ever again. But no, I did get it for a good deal, so I was happy with that. And the reason why I went OEM was just because I didn't want to have to worry about, you know, fitment issues. I've seen too many with the aftermarket ones where, you know, the gaps are too big here or the gaps are too close here. And I feel like with these cars, you know, they cost so much and you spend so much that when you do something like that and it just, you know, doesn't look right, it kind of just throws the whole car off, because, you know, these cars are, you know, luxurious sports cars. So, you know, you kind of want to keep that same theme going on. You want everything to look good as possible, you know, while you own the car. So that's why I opted to go with OEM.
and which is why I know he repainted the whole front end with a very reputable body shop. And I'm very particular about my paint jobs. Like you saw when I talked to Kyler, the paint job is spot on, man. It's very hard to paint match mineral white. It's extremely hard because the flakes, and I've seen some paint jobs are horrible and it just stands out. Like one panel is just more brighter and more of like a moonstone a little bit compared to everything else, but this looks spot on.
Yeah, I was very happy with the outcome of Samuel Auto Bodies. They're located in Sanford, Florida. They did a fantastic job. They got my car in and out, you know, as fast as they could with weather conditions. And I mean, I picked up my car and I couldn't even believe it. I was like, did you guys really paint my car? You know what I mean? And they were like, yeah, we painted it. And I was like, wow, you know, fantastic. I couldn't tell a difference. So I was very happy with the outcome.
All right, so now's the time we're gonna be going to Korea House to get some Korean barbecue. I mentioned it last time when we were actually here in Orlando with some of these guys. Good food spot. I'm down to eat like a fat pig, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, I'm leaving the Alfa Romeo right there. The potential new car that I'm gonna be getting.
I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow. I stand with the lost souls, looking for a hustle.